Theragun Prime Plus review. Luxe Black Box. Muscle recovery routines. User manual. For attachments, 1 is with the Theragun. Attachments description. USB-C cable. Theragun's Quiet Force solution. Standard ball attachment. Wedge attachment. Dampener. Theragun Heated attachment mounted. First impressions, compact sleek design and super ergonomic. Push and twist to lock Theragun's head. Long press to turn it on. 5 speeds, 1750, 1900, 2100, 2200 and 2400 RPM. 3 heat settings, 113, 122 and 131 Fahrenheit, 45, 50 and 55 Celsius. Different grip sizes to fit your hand nicely. Performance test. Maximum stall force, 40 pounds. Amplitude, 16 millimeters. Now, it is a very quiet Theragun. Charging port. Up to 150 minutes depending on the settings.
Thank you for watching.